Hello? Hello? Anyone there? Molly, stay out of my room! And the food was messing with my stuff. Yo, and no, forget it, Molly. Mom, I'm not leaving till Friday. Mom, Molly, out of my room. Like what? No, Mom, no one's gonna want those old toys. They're junk. Whatever you say, Mom. You need a hand? Let me hear. So you gonna miss me when I'm gone? Nope. Poor Monto. Mom, we've said goodbye like 10 times. Mom, it's okay. You will be, Mom. For Sunny, who does love? But my God, how about and when I met you, the whole Jay Fussner. Now don't let Molly hear my stuff. Jenny, keep on. So, you really think I should do it? Hi, Una. Yeah, right now actually. I have some toys here. So you're Bonnie? I'm Andy. Someone told me you're really good with toys. These are mine, but I'm going away now. So I need someone really special to play with them. This is Jessie, the roughest, toughest cowgirl in the whole West. She loves critters, but none board her best pal, Bullseye. Oh, yeah. Here, this is Rex, the meanest, most terrified dinosaur who ever lived. Rawr! Rawr! The potato heads, Mr. and Mrs. Gotta keep them together because they're madly in love. Now, Slinky here is as loyal as any dog who could want. And Ham, he'll keep your money safe. He's also one of the most dastardly villains of all time. Evil Dr. Porkchop. These little dudes are from a strange alien world. Pizza Planet. And yes, is Buzz Lightyear, the coolest toy ever. Look, she can fly, and shoot lasers. He's sworn to protect the galaxy from the evil Emperor Zurg. Now, you gotta promise to take good care of these guns. They mean a lot to me. Oh, Woody? What's he doing in there? Woody. He's been my pal for as long as I can remember. He's brave. The cowboy should be. Kind and smart. But the thing that makes Woody special, is he'll never give up on you. Oh, never. He'll be there for you, no matter what. You think you could take care of him for me? Oh no, got to watch out the catching of one bakery. Waddling near the way here. Guys.